name is Kritika from class 6.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Nima from class 6.
Today we are going to say about states and capitals.
Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Disipur, Bihar, Patna, Chandigarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai.
Thank you.
Today our topic is about states and capitals. Jharkhand, Ranchi, Bihar, Shillong, Manipur, Bengal, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Delhi, Sikkim, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Andhra, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata. Thank you.